Hello everybody, welcome to Tan Investments. Let's see where will market head tomorrow. First, we will look into Nifty. Nifty, this is 15 minutes chart. 15 मिनट के चार्ट के हिसाब से Nifty is showing a support near 17,000. Psychological level है, round figure है. We can also see uh, some support, some smaller support at 17,050 levels. या तो big support is at 17,000 round figure. Nifty will be weak for me as per my analysis below 16990. 16990 के नीचे ट्रेड होना चालू होती है निफ्टी in 15 minutes time frame, then I will look for a much lower target and look for going on a short side or sell side, one must say, towards 16,900 and 16,840. But if Nifty successfully crosses above 17,200 to 10, 17,210 के ऊपर निफ्टी विल शो सम स्ट्रेंथ, मोमेंटम आ सकता है of you can say at least 50 to 80 points. So initially the first target one must look for on the higher side is above 17 to 10, and the target would be 17 to 75 and 17,350. So this is Nifty, weak below 16,990 and strong above 17,210. In between, in between, uh, can say it can be a no trading zone. I know the zone is little bit wider, but we all know that budget is round the corner. Budget की news upcoming है in a day or two, so volatility will be at its peak. Option trader, do take this advice and trade only intraday, because if you're not an advanced trader, if you're not hedging your positions, stick to intraday, because जैसे ही budget खत्म हो जाएगा, IV will crash. IV, that is implied volatility, term used in option trading, will crash and premium will be decayed automatically. Premium will be cooled off. अभी premium high चल रहे हैं just because they want to make people buy at the high premium, and after the news, when the news is factored in market, premium will cool off. So there is a high probability that one might get stuck if holding options too long. So this is Nifty. Bank Nifty, same structure, good above 37 9 10. This is the level I will look for. Bank Nifty, if successfully give me a close or start trading in a 15 minutes time frame about 37 9 10. This is the level on the higher side, wherein my initial target I will look for 38 125, and above that more 200 points, that is 38 300, 38 25. उसके ऊपर whole new story. But for intraday, I am satisfied with this particular target, or else if I get a chance, I will keep trailing unless and until my trailing stop loss is taken, I can book some profit. But if Bank Nifty slide down करती है 37,575 के नीचे, then a quick 200 points on the downside is also possible. That is first target around 37,375, ये level 37,375, and below that 37,75. Again, Bank Nifty might come near to 37,000, that is round figures. 37,75 will act as a support. यहाँ पर आके आपको अपना ट्रेलिंग एकदम squeeze करना है, so that if you are riding the momentum on the downside or on the higher side, once you are near your target, you should always squeeze your trailing stop loss so that you can book and take home maximum profit. Now we come to stock. McDonald's structure बिगड़ चुका है, 1 hour chart में is looking bearish. So if I will only trade McDonald's on the downside for now, unless and until giving me a close above 875. So if it is slipping down in 5 to 15 minutes chart and trading below 845, I can intraday take a quick trade for 20 to 30 points trailing basis, or else if I am a quick trader, like quick entry 15 minutes may if I have to book profit, anything about 10 to 15 rupees on this particular stock is good enough. That is 2%. Okay, so 845 के नीचे stock weak हो जाएगा. The next support comes around 825, that is 20 points exact. And if the short trade is triggered, I will maintain a stop loss at 860 as per my risk appetite. Below 824, the second target would come around 805, 807 psychological level. And once that psychological level is taken out, we see much higher target of 780 on the downside. But I would be really happy to book half of the quantity at 825, and rest I will trail it down till 800 at least if my selling trade is triggered below 845. Moving on, Voltas. Voltas, yes, I was looking out for some bullish trade on this last week, but वो trade triggered नहीं हुआ है. So the structure as per market sentiments again it's on the weaker side. If I zoom a little bit and I show that the volumes are missing on the downside after this huge volume, that is like making a short build up, and we see a gap down here. This gap has not been covered and the stock is just moving in a range, making an M pattern, or you can say a double top here. And once this neckline is taken out, the level is 1150. As soon as stock starts trading in 15 minutes time frame below, though this is 1 hour chart, okay, this analysis is as per 1 hour chart, the trade has to be executed in the lower time frame chart, that is 15 minutes. So once the stock is trading below 1150, or on the safer side, chalo, let's suppose 1145, my short trade would be triggered and I will enter a trade on the downside with targeting at least 20 to 25 points on this particular trade. So my initial target would come around 1120, and below that 1100 would be a psychological level. मैंने mark नहीं किया है, but that goes without saying. And below that 1080 is also possible on this stock. So Voltas weak below 1145, and if my short trade is triggered, I will maintain a stop loss at 1175 as per my risk appetite, because once it start moving in my profitable zone, I will quickly start trailing and squeeze my stop loss at least to cost, so that there is no loss in this particular trade. This is my trading strategy. All this information given in this video is only for education and research purpose. You can maintain your own study, and this is not any trading advice. Thank you.